The MA Service Design students here at London College of Communication have been showing the outcomes of the work that they've made in response to the briefs that colleagues in the Centre for Socio-Digital Futures have set for them.
So the Service Futures Lab is a lab that we founded in 2018, and the idea is to really surface all of the work that happens behind the scenes when we're putting together live projects for students. So a lot of the work that would be knowledge exchange or research and that falls around the edges of student projects and allows students to really be able to work in situations that are live with experts in the field, with live clients, with live projects, with partners. And it's really a space in which we share teaching activities that are both research informed and knowledge exchange informed.
Our students never have to tell people, imagine. They have placards of protest, they have newspapers, which means that our audience is able to fully get immersed into those futures. And that's amazing because then we can talk about what is actually important.
So with design, we're interested in the way in which it can enable us to materialize possible futures, to make those tangible, so that we can better understand them. Design enables us to prototype future possibilities. It enables us to make them experiential, so we can handle speculative objects, so we can build future worlds and experience them, get a sense of what they would be like and the impacts that they might have on our social lives and on our behaviors.
Imagining the future, a lot of it when we ideated, it felt very near, like it could actually happen now. Yeah, this was one of the few processes where we used research through design, so we kept making things. I think that was very enjoyable to just see the reactions to what we were producing and them being very tangible.
We were quite inspired by the area where we studied in Elephant and Castle, where we saw protests going down the road, like you have hundreds of people protesting.
We came up with a protest mechanism for people to have their voice heard in neighborhood decision making, and also for a way to preserve their memories, because we believe it's an important part of what makes a place a place.
Sometimes I think the students have started out from quite a utopian idea. They're trying to solve a challenge and they're taking quite a techno-utopian approach. And then through their design practice, lots of complexities have come up and it's become much more complicated and nuanced. And in fact, maybe a little bit more dystopian. And I think that's really good that they've managed to explore some of the unintended consequences that have arisen when they actually put some of their ideas into practice.
This project intended out with the idea that tech can help make the world a better place. The team planned to make it a project which would remove discrimination, but ended up creating a project which reinforces the biases because the tech is trained by the people.
There are many different futures for many different groups of people, and they're not all going to be the same. And it's important really to understand the ways in which what we are doing today might change how the next generations are able to inhabit society, ecology, the world, etc.
It's really interesting to think about every lives as real people rather than like abstract numbers and statistics. And this is how design can help, by giving a body to those futures, by embodying them so that we can look at the problem in real time.
So the thing that's been interesting about partnering with London College of Communication for us in the centre is the different expertise that they have, specific expertise in design, in speculative design, in critical service design in particular. And we're looking to explore different methods, including creative methods, as ways of intervening in and researching socio-digital futures. And that's been really productive for us, with colleagues here, with students here, and to bring those diverse experiences and expertise together to do that research and to raise new questions for us.